It is Thursday, March 14th, and it is pouring rain. It's been pouring rain since last night. The lake is a soupy mess, but it will freeze, and then it'll be pretty easy to get around. This is the top-down slush that you will hear us mention sometimes. This, in my opinion, is not real slush because it was caused by rain. 48 hours ago, Round Lake had, 16 inches of snow with a little bit of slush underneath, and now it is just soup from top to bottom, and there's only about 6 inches of goop on top of the lake. With no insulative qualities, I guess, this will freeze solid tonight. The aftermath of the rainstorm. This is the hill past the Cross River on the Round Lake Road, and it is glare ice. This is the hill before the Cross River, and it is worse than the other hill. This is insane. You can't even walk on it. You can't beat days like today. It is March 16th maybe, and everything changed so much in the last couple days. The snowpack on the lakes is all but gone. Here's the sled and ski tracks from our trip down here. We're out on Seagull doing a little fishing, and it is a beautiful day. This is not a top 10 lake trout spot for me, but on a day like today, it doesn't matter at all. It is just gorgeous outside. Seagull Palisades, and that can only mean one thing. Look at this ice. It is awesome traveling. All right. Sweet. Good job, Nick. Yeah, just gentle pressure will. Oh, here. Oh, oh, I'm glad he didn't bite you off.
Yeah.
Well, that's a nice fish, not what we're after.
No.
Look at that thing. That's over 30, I bet.
Yeah.
Here he goes back. Not what we're looking for, but that was fun.